Now we're going to talk about if you have a dud, what do you do with that firework? It's been 15 minutes now since we shot this, and it's been sitting there. We know that it's now a dud. So what do we do? What kind of procedure to safely take care of this item so you can enjoy the rest of your fireworks display and keep everybody safe? First thing you want to do is, it's been at least 15 minutes, is you want to reach down, never get a hold of the product itself. A good way to do this is take your foot, knock this product over if you haven't already, reach down, grab a hold of the stick, hold it away from your body. Then you take this and drop it into your tub of water. It completely submerges in the water, and it needs to remain in there for the rest of the time you're shooting your fireworks. Then after that, you will take that and dispose of it properly in a garbage bag or something, but let it stay in the water for at least 30 minutes. Now, the reason we take care of the duds for the fireworks is to make sure that everyone around you, including yourself, is safe when shooting your fireworks for your 4th of July or New Year's celebration. This is a dud firework. We've already submerged it into water. We've already let it sit for at least 30 minutes. What that does is it soaks the product, making sure that it will not go off. Now I can take this product and safely place it in a garbage bag or a receptacle, and it can be disposed of properly now. If it's not disposed of properly, if you take this and put it in a garbage bag or another area where you place stuff, it can catch it on fire, like your grass or your garbage. So you want to make sure that you submerge this in case it does decide to go off later, because some fireworks will misfire at a later time, usually within a minute or so.